Imagine sitting on a pile of cash, watching everyone around you brag about their massive returns on their last AI stock and doing absolutely nothing. Sounds crazy, right? It feels like you're missing out. But what if I told you that doing nothing is actually the hardest and most profitable financial skill you can ever master? Hey, I'm Mohammad Sharifai, and welcome back to Ladder of Finance. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you why the illusion of sitting it out is actually a trap and how you can use a hidden strategy from investing legends to compound your wealth while everyone else is just gambling. Let's take another step up the ladder. Right now, we are in the most common yet agonizing phase of investing. We are waiting. We wait for the market to correct. We wait for geopolitical tensions to still. We wait for the checks to clear. Waiting. But here is the secret. Waiting is exactly how you make money. You make your money by waiting for the right price to buy, and you secret it by waiting for the right time to sell. The legendary Charlie Munger once said something that completely changed how I view markets. He said, Wall Street makes money by activity. You make money by inactivity. Most investors are like hamsters on a wheel. They are running fast, sweating, trading every dip, and going absolutely nowhere. They think they are investing. Mongers call it gambling with a tie on. His strategy, masterly inactivity. It's not laziness, it's the ruthless discipline to wait for the perfect fat pitch, take the swing, and then here's the hard part, sit on your hands for decades while compound interest does the heavy lifting. If you're tired of running on that financial hamster wheel and want to build a real, lasting wealth, hit that subscribe button. It helps us keep building this ladder together. But here is the catch. You can't really just sitting out. You might say, Mohammed, the market is too crazy. I'm going to wait until prices are reasonable, but you still have your money. It's sitting in cash or treasury bonds or gold. In the financial world, inactively is an illusion. You are always exposed to something. You are always placing a wager on what the future will bring. The difference between the shrewd investor and the amateur is that the pro waits a long time between moves. There is no point in making a quick buck today just to lose it on the next trade. You need a home run, an investment you can get into and hold for 10 or 20 years. And this brings me to the elephant in the room. As someone who spends a lot of time bridging the gap between traditional finance and the modern tech economy, looking at AI, automation, and blockchain, I see the hype cycle up close. Investors are in an absolute letter right now. Our AI stocks, Amazon, Alphabet, Tesla, Nvidia, they are all substantially going to the moon. SpaceX literally wants to take us to Mars. It is incredibly tempting, like a happily married man brings ask to judge a Miss Node Universe contest. Temptation beckons, but just as a prudent person wouldn't throw away a happy long-term marriage for a quick fling. You shouldn't detach a proven long-term investment strategy just to chase a tech bubble. It is incredibly hard to resist when we are in the early stage of a mania. But whether it's fast money or flashy trends, both are likely to leave you deeply disappointed. In the end, wait for the pitch, swing hard, then let the major trends do the work for you. I want to hear from you. What is the one asset or trend you are currently practicing masterly in activity? With let me know down in the comments below. If you want to understand exactly how to spot ways to invest in China, click on this video right here, where I break it down the real AI boom from China. Keep climbing, keep compounding, and I will see you in the next one.